What's up, guys? 30D's coming at you today from the garage, and today what we're going to talk about is how do you talk to your wife or anybody else? How do you convince them that you're going to be buying a motorcycle? How do you talk to somebody and talk them into letting you buy a bike? Well, first I'm going to give you the easy version, and then I'm going to give you the backup on why that is. You ready for the easy version? Here we go. Oh, hey, guess what? I'm buying a bike.
And I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking, what's up with the macho bullshoy? And you know what? You won't be too far off, but here's what I'm getting at. Okay, consider it like this. Do you think Elvis Presley had to ask Priscilla about all them bikes that he bought? All them Harley Davidsons and stuff that are up there sitting in Graceland right now? You can go see them, man. They're in Memphis. Do you think he asked Priscilla? No. He didn't ask her if he could go buy a bike. Why? Because he was the king. And she was the queen, yes. And I know you're still probably thinking, Tom, get off the macho BS. Look, man, it's like my girl says all the time. Behind every great man is a great woman rolling her eyes. But guess what? Whether you're a man or a woman, you're going to have some of that macho BS to ride a bike. Because it's not an activity for weenies. If you have to ask somebody's permission to get a motorcycle, don't get the bike. Just don't do it, because you're not the kind of person that needs to be on one. You can go out and get one of them little spider things. You can still have a good time. You can still get one of those type of vehicles, but the motorcycle isn't it, because on a bike, you're going to have to be the kind of person that makes the decision, makes the move, and puts that in your rear view mirror and doesn't look back at it because you got other things going on. That's just what it is. You know, if you've got to sit there and hem and haw with someone about it, it's just going to be a mess, man. And you're going to end up getting yourself in trouble on the road, because then you're going to hem and haw about decisions. And sometimes you have to make a real quick snap decision and choose the best of two bad choices. You know, riding a bike isn't for everybody. So if you do have the discussion and you have to set somebody's mind at ease, now you're not asking permission, and that's a difference. But look, here's some of the responses people are going to give you. First of all, you're going to get somebody who says you're going to kill yourself on that thing. And then you ask them, here's your response: have you ever ridden a motorcycle? And if they say no, then your response is, hey, look, respectfully, then you don't know what you're talking about. And if they say yes, then ask them why they're not dead yet. The other thing people are going to tell you is, you know, you're nuts if you get it, because, you know, you've got responsibilities, and, you know, what's going to happen if something happens to you? Hey, look, man, first of all, you're not going to have to worry about it if something happens to you, okay? Because you're not going to be around to worry about it. Hate to put it that way, but look, guys, if you're somebody, and gals, if you're someone who's always thought about having a motorcycle and it's in your blood, you know when it's in your blood, don't live your life wondering what it was like and then never having got it. You know, when you're 80 years old, now you're too old to ride. And by the way, I've met 80-year-olds that ride. Okay? Some of them are on trikes, granted, but I've met them. An old skateboard company had the slogan, "Don't die wondering." If you remember Vision skateboards, they used to say, "Don't die wondering." Well, it's the same thing. Man, don't live your whole life thinking about motorcycles and never get one. Get the damn bike. Just do it. Even if it's an old cheapo, like I did. My first one off of Craigslist, $4,200. I was looking for a dirt bike, ended up with a cheap Harley Davidson. Look, here's a funny story. So my father-in-law, when I brought my Harley Davidson over to his house, when I brought my father-in-law, the first time I brought my bike over to his house, he said, "Oh, you're going to kill yourself on that thing." About 2 months later, he calls me from a gun shop, and he says, "I'm thinking about getting this bike. What do you think?" This was the first guy that told me I was going to kill myself on my bike. I mean, come on, man. A lot of that, if it's friends that are telling you that kind of stuff, it's probably motorcycle envy, because what guy has never wanted to ride a motorcycle? All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. Enjoy this ride. Have a great day out there. Have a great night out there. Guys and gals, men, women, gentlemen, and everything in between. If you have to convince somebody that you're going to buy a motorcycle, just don't do it. If you're buying a bike, tell them like I do. Hey, guess what? I'm buying a bike. End of story. All right. Talk to you guys later.